Hey. Welcome back. Let's go ahead and get right into this video. We are going to be talking about my Jazzy's life. I have seen some quite alarming behavior that she has been experiencing. Yeah, y'all heard it. Look at these eyebrows, y'all. Don't they look like they are completely, not half, but completely on fleek? And do you guys see this blush? Let me tell you guys, it is out of order. All right. This face is looking so disrespectful, all beat up. I don't even know what to say. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into this video. So we are going to start the video off with Jasmine was sitting at her computer table, and Jasmine was sitting there doing a live. It seemed like a piece of mind has been stole upon her. All right, so she's sitting there, and then she has her boo, which she's called Bae, whatever. But I am at the point now, I think that we should call him his name. He's no Bae, not the shit that he has been running around doing. Remember how Jasmine told us all the bullshit with Phil, and then we didn't like him? And then she wanted to then come to us and tell us nice things that he said. And we were just looking at her through the screen like, bitch, you stupid. You already told us that he was a rack of shit. Now you trying to tell us other shit that look different. Okay. So now, it's the same thing with this new guy, whatever. I mean, she says that she never thought that she would be this happy. She never thought that she would find love again. And all that Dr. Phil shit, okay? So the whole time that she is trying to be great and do her live, you have main man, whatever, coming in and out. At one point, he called her a hoe. Is that what I heard? If that is not, y'all already know. Please comment down below and say, Reese, no, that is not what you heard at all. So anyway, last time that I noticed everything that was going on with Jasmine apartment, as in she was getting the violations, were actually sent to Jasmine. Only Jasmine. I thought that, her gas bill and electric only had Jasmine's name on it. That's what I thought, okay? Now, the reason I'm saying this is because Jasmine is sitting at the table with a damn near comforter set on, like she said, because she's so cold, because she says baby, whatever, likes it cold in the house. But Jasmine, excuse me, is there something clearly wrong? Because like I said, your name are on those documents. So I would not even give a shit about him being cold. Not at all. Now, if he wanted to go ahead and drop me the money for the, it's cold and everything, the air that he's using in the heat, then I wouldn't have no problems with that. But until then, you are going to be in this bitch hot. All right, hot. Okay? You probably can reach over there on that cap accessory that I got for you where you hang your caps up on. Put that shit on your head and be even hotter. But yeah, I mean, it's just real crazy to me, the things that Jasmine does and the things that she lets people get away with. Because it's like this, Jasmine, if you are going into this relationship acting as if you don't know anything in the world, because at this point, you are literally going in the bathroom and taking us in the bathroom with you. At this point, there is something completely wrong. At this point, this is where your mom should say to you, Jasmine, I don't think that it's a great idea for you to go into the bathroom and film yourself, not wash your hands, play in your face, or any of that. Right, guys? But we already know if she is corrected, nothing is going to make sense at all. Only thing that we can do is again smile. That's it. That's it. Now, the thing that really got me, Jasmine, was the fact that your daughter had a birthday recently. And the only thing I saw for your daughter was a little cake. You said that you gave her one of your old iPhones, which was a 6, and you said that you told her that you would get her a gift once you got paid from YouTube, and that's on the 21st, the 2 and the 1. Okay, so right here, Jasmine, why this really strikes me as you are a complete, I'm not even going to say it, but y'all already know what I was about to say. So you mean to tell me that you moved some man in, and I think this was right before, after Corona hit? So the first thing is that you don't know if he has Corona. You didn't even get him tested, because that is how your mind works. You went and bought him a cake. You went and had your kids make arts and crafts for him. Yeah, you had him down there doing some real arts and crafts. Like it was filler. Blew the shit out of me. But I'm like, if she like it, I love it. So anyway, you had him do arts and crafts. Then you went and bought, the fake flowers from the dollar store. Ripped them up, put them all the way up the hallway, had them all up on the bed, had the little 40, the 420s up there, whatever, which people telling me that it basically was $100, whatever. Look, I don't know. I don't give a fuck. So by you doing that, you just gave him money. Jasmine, that means that you took money out of your daughter's mouth, out of your home. If when you gave him that money, you could have been having it right now to give to your daughter so that she could get a gift. If he has a job, so that you can get some money from him. Since you gave him, remember, the 420s, that's what I saw. So with that being said, it's no reason that your child shouldn't have a birthday gift. Not at all. That's absolutely disgusting. But you don't see anything wrong with it, and neither does he see anything wrong with it. So we have two bright people that have all came into one. Where did you find this one at, Jasmine? So, what was even funny to me is that your daughter, she got in the car, and I could tell right away who she was talking about, which is Rosa Parks. And you mean to tell me that you have a degree and you don't know who your daughter was talking about? Shaky, shaky, shaky. That's like right off the bat, somebody coming to me and they say, I have a dream. We already know. That comes from Martin the Luther King. Yeah, Martin Luther King. But I call him Martin the Luther King. I was just like, this shit is crazy. Then the next crazy shit or whatever was the fact that you bought your two twins 2 bicycles. Jasmine, why did you buy that shit for them? They're going to be small. They're going to be too big for them next week. Next week, baby. I know you tried. Poor thing. Poor thing. Poor thing. Now, I'm going to go ahead and break this down too, because this is the shit that blows me. This is the shit that makes no sense. So, you did not have any money to get Kaylin, a gift. You have a man there that is using your gas and electric out the ass, because he think that he is somewhere like, in an ice age where it's nice and cold, and he's not. And the more you burn that at a higher temperature, the more your bill is going to be. Yeah, Jasmine, did you forget about that? Maybe what you need to do is, how in the offices they don't like to have everybody touch the heat? I would be real petty. I would go get me the little plastic box that go over it, and then you have the key that you open it up to move it. Yeah, that's what I would have did. Not only that, but this is another thing. You mean to tell me you can't get no money from, you give him money, you can't get none from him, and then he won't even take your burger back to the McDonald's to get a fucking burger with 2 pieces of bread on it? And wait a minute, y'all, this is the real kicker, then I'm getting ready to get off of here. You mean to tell me that, I guess maybe 2 months ago, and don't get it twisted because I was in the actual live, one of your subscribers gave you $200. Another $200. That equaled $400. All right. And I want to say she gave you another $100, which equal up to $500. So you mean to tell me, because I do remember a few minutes ago, you just got on here begging, talking about your kid's bed was going to be over within a few because it was so broke, that you are on here dry begging? That's exactly what you are doing. Exactly. Begging. Do you ever get tired of begging? That's what I'm saying. Do you ever, and then this is what I'm saying. You give him $80, but you cannot give back to your subscribers, the one who actually help you get to where you are. You get what I'm saying? The ones who buy you cleaning products for you to clean up and you never do it. The ones who bought the beds that you have in there. Like, this shit is crazy to me. It's real crazy. But then on top of that, you know, your people and your subbies, they're always over here wondering what we're saying and all of this. No, what the fuck y'all need to do is get your girl in check. That's what you need to do. Get her in check real quick. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get off of here, guys. I will see you in the next one.